How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the 8th tutorial of this series. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to upload a file. And we're not going to use the mostly common used software, which is called AutoIT. I'm not going to use that because I actually did have hard time using it. So I'll show you guys a different method that I use, and it's pretty nice and it's pretty easy, and I never had any problems. But so let's get started. So the website that we're gonna actually upload an image to is gonna be show you guys. It's convert GPG to PDF. So I'm gonna use, which one do I use? I think I use that one. Yep, that's the one. So I'm gonna take this right here. I'll put it on my Get Drive. Alright. And then I wanna press on this right here. So let's see, let's inspect it. So it has an ID of select image, select file button, and it also has a value of select GPG. Okay, so let's define upload box equal to driver dot find element, and then by that, let's use the ID. Okay, let me define this. And what we're gonna do with that, we actually want to click it. So that click. Alright, so let's find, this is the ID right here. So we're just gonna copy that. Or if you guys don't want to use this, we can use the XPath. So let me comment this one. So I'll use the XPath, and let me use my method. I'll do input. So that's the input. And then I'll open a bracket. I'll put at, and let me use value. I love using value. Those are good. Those are nice to use. And then equal to of my single quotations, and then I'll select that one right here. So that would press on the file. Alrighty. So if I press this, that's what's gonna happen. So let's test it out really quick. There you go. So let's do the next step. So what AutoIT does, it's a software that allows you to because this window is not a browser window, so Selenium doesn't allow you to use it. So AutoIT is a software that allows you to use this, but I've had a hard time using it. For some reason it used to not work properly, sometimes doesn't work. So I found this way online that that I think would be the best way to use. So let me show it to you guys. Alright, so first thing, I'll write string selection file location equal new. So string selection, we can actually import this. File location is the name that you can give, equal new. And then you write, let me copy this. I'm so lazy. So copy this, and then open two parentheses, put semicolons so I don't forget it later. And then I will actually find the path of the picture that I want to put. So for me, have a picture I just downloaded of Minions. Who doesn't love Minions? Everybody loves Minions. So I'll press Shift, right click, and you guys see copy as path right there. And make sure you press Shift before you right click. So copy path, and I'll put it here. And this already has quotation marks, so I actually should remove those. The only reason we have it says it's invalid because of this, because of the slashes. So to make it understand what we have to do, we have to put double slashes. And that's the only way to actually get it to work. Here you go. They got removed. Okay. So all it does, all this says, hey, this is the location of my file. Location of my file. Location of my file. And let me also add a delay too. Okay, so that's the first thing, first step. All right. Second step is something called toolkit dot get default. There you go. Thank you, Eclipse, trying to help me, help my laziness. Already writes it for you. And then system, get system, clip board, and then close that. Dot set contents. Thank you. And then I'll take this, copy here, and then no. Right now. Okay. Alrighty. So what does this do? What this does, it copy whatever right here to the clipboard. Alright, so let's go to the next one. So now, do you guys remember our last tutorial what we did? We're gonna use the keyboard again to help us out. So I'll write robot keyboard equal to new robot, and then do this. And if your robot is not known, you just have to import it. And then I'll put thread.sleep for, let's do 1000. Oops, that's 10,000. Sorry. Oops, I spelled thread wrong. Okay. All right. And then guess what we're gonna do? So here we copied. What we want to do in here is actually paste, and we'll write keyboard. Let me close this bracket. Let's see. Okay. Alrighty, let me close another bracket. All right. Keyboard dot key press, and then we'll do the key event dot vk control underscore control. Let me write this here, and then I'll say control V, and this is the paste, and then I'll do the same thing but for release, key release, and then key release as well, and then I'll add here. This might be a little bit confusing for you guys, but trust me, I'll explain everything in just a second. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing. right here, but I'll just remove that. Put another delay over there, and I'm gonna press enter. Right there. So what we did here, so I specified the location of my file, I copied it to the clipboard, and then I pressed Ctrl V, and I released it, and then I press enter. Why did I do that? So what it's gonna do is gonna go here. It copied whatever I have, and then which is right here, and then is gonna Control V, so it's gonna post it here, and then it's gonna press open, which is, the open is actually the enter. So we're tricking the computer to make it work. So let's try it out. Let's see what is gonna happen. So it goes over there, press select, and then it puts the input, and then press enter. Here you go. It got imported right there. That's it. So, and if you want to do, let's say, press convert, you can make another button and press convert, and also press here to download it, which is, I'll leave that for you guys to do. Just actually leave a comment of how you did that last part. So I want you guys to leave a comment of after you selected it and press convert and download it. I want to see some comments of how you guys did that. So that's your assignment for today. Alright, so please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was an useful tutorial. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day.